morning and welcome to BNGDM. This is Brandon. I'm going to pick up Nick right now. It's gonna be a fun day. We're gonna go to Kenny U-Pool. We're gonna try and get some parts for his Integra and his Accord that he broke last night. Not gonna lie, that may have been my fault. So what happened was we were changing his brakes and we're changing Nick's brakes, and just the other day he was driving and the bolts to hold the caliper bracket, one of them fell off. See, I don't know who did what, but anyway, back what I was saying. I probably was the last one to touch that bolt, so I'm gonna take a blame. In reality, I don't really know who did what because we kept going back and forth to do things. Like, we kept switching sides. I did work most of the time on the driver's side, and that's the side that the bolt fell off. So I don't know how I did it because we did it like 2 weeks ago, so I don't really know how it fell off now, but I will take the blame. I'm the one that did that. So yeah, we're gonna go try to find an Accord, try and snatch those bolts if we can, and we need to find an exhaust for his Integra, because his Integra, let's just say you want to keep a stock exhaust on you at all times, especially here. Why am I keep putting myself in neutral? I don't know why. Anyway, that's the main reason. Oh, and also we might be going to go we're gonna go try and see my Miata today. I own a Miata. I don't know why I keep downshifting. It's really annoying to vlog and downshift. Anyway, we're gonna go see my Miata. We're gonna try and get it started because it's been in storage. It's been at the garage for a long time. That's the plan for today. I can't take my Miata back home yet because A, the tires are illegal. Anyway, I'm pulling into Nick's. We're gonna show you the problem for his wheels. And good morning, buddy.
Good morning.
Is his 96 Integra. So what we're doing to this, we're gonna try and get a stock exhaust.
Well, right now what we need is we need to get the back heat shield for the passenger side brakes in the rear, which is...
Oh, here too, you don't even have any heat shield.
Yeah,
oh yeah, you do.
Oh, no, I don't actually. Okay, so we're about to get a heat shield. Well, we'll see if they have both of them. I'm gonna grab both heat shields.
Yeah.
And then for the Accord...
I'll take the blame for the Accord because I was the one who did this side. I don't know how it happened 2 weeks after we did the brake change, but I'm surprised this thing didn't fall off with all the wind that happened last night. Basically what happened here is that the bolt is gone. It even, like, it's not even in here, like it just decided to fall off. I don't know what happened, but I'll take the blame for it, I guess. We need to run back to my house because I forgot gloves and glasses. And we're gonna go grab some Timmy's.
Of course, you gotta get the OG scrapyard glasses that you found. These are freaking fire. I'm not even gonna cap, bro. Like, they look dumb, but they're fire.
We found them at the same place we're going to today.
Oh yeah, that's true. We found them in Laval, guys. So that's where we're going today. We're going to Laval. We're gonna see if we can find both rear heat shields for my Integra, and then we're gonna also look for the caliper bracket screw for my Accord, since he forgot to tighten it as well. So, but it doesn't matter. It's not the worst deal. And then we're also gonna see if we can grab a couple of bolts for the Integra, just because it's a harder car to find. It's a bit older, so I'm gonna try to find like all the brake screws and all that, and see if they can sell it to me. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Can you?
Yeah, the red one.
It looks really clean, so I don't know if we get there on time because usually they don't last long at the scrap yards.
Yeah, they usually, every time we went to go see an Integra, like they put up their pictures, and like a week later the whole thing was stripped down to the frame, like there was nothing left. So hopefully they're gonna have some parts left for us, because yeah, I need them. Oh, that is clean. Look at that. That's a nice space to work on your stuff.
Yes.
So guys, we forgot to grab the tools, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna see here. We got all of our Milwaukee sets, so I'm gonna grab those. Take that. Need both gloves.
I hope I have enough room in my car for
Stanley, you do in your trunk.
For my exhaust.
Oh, if not, just take my car. What?
Did you hear what you just said?
No.
If not, just take my car. We're taking my car to Kenny.
Oh. Oh, I forgot about the exhaust for my car. Yes, if we could find an exhaust, we're gonna want to take that. Oh god.
Oh,
okay.
I also bought this.
That's not gonna fit. Okay, so you want to throw your tires in here quick then?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Okay, so wait, you
never forget this. I always work with a microfiber cloth. I still don't know if the stock exhaust is gonna fit in my Impreza. I don't know if that's gonna, I don't know how that's gonna work, but we'll try it. Ugh. Whoa! Why'd you do it? So I'm trying to get my glasses. I don't know. Hakuna Matata.
Surprised you don't have jumpers in your car already.
Oh, because it was in my Miata. Yeah, no, it was in my Mazda 3. So I never put it back in. There we go. Hopefully that's enough room. You ass. I was gonna try and get it at the same time. Even though I'm going broke, but you know what, it's okay.
Oh my goodness, bro. Car parts are so expensive.
Here's the thing. Okay, I'll tell you right now. People say owning 2 cars is hard. No, it's not. I can buy another car, even a 4th car if I wanted to. It's fucking parts that cost so much money.
Oh! We are keeping that in the clips.
No, I'm the one editing it. I can take it out if I want. Allô, je peux savoir thé matin saucisse, s'il vous plaît? Bagel plein goût. Et je peux avoir un wrap matin au sandwich.
Le wrap?
Non, le sandwich.
Guys, look at this.
Quel sandwich?
By the farmer's wrap sandwich.
Oui, le wrap.
But it's a sandwich.
It's not a breakfast sandwich, it's just a wrap.
But they have the option for a sandwich too.
Yeah? Did you want the breakfast sandwich?
Yeah,
Okay, so the farmer's breakfast sandwich?
yeah.
Sausage or bacon?
Just eggs and cheese, please.
Alright.
And can I get 2 medium iced coffees?
Yep.
Okay, that'll be it.
Okay.
Thank you.
She's pissed off.
How stupid you have. Thank you.
Check yours quick.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Yeah, but I don't got no egg. Unless I'm stupid. Is there an egg? Oh yeah, there
Yeah,
is.
there's an egg. Okay. Alright, we'll see you guys after.
Yeah. Little options, I'm running out of options. Ain't no other way, I gotta get it from my bros. Yeah, stop it, bitch, I'm never stopping. I'm on the way to bring it back home. I just wanna see the finer things with the crew. I caught a +1 in the Maserati cool. Baby, what you saying? Tell me what you wanna do. This is a lifestyle, shawty, this ain't nothing new. I gotta wake up and make some. Roll right out of bed, gotta get it from my day ones. Get my cake up, my pay up. They showing fake love, they showing fake love.
We have made it to Kenny U-Pool after long driving. Wasn't too bad. I did make a wrong turn though. We are here to find an Integra. Don't know if we'll find it.
6A. I don't know which way that is. 611 this
6A.
way.
We're at 18. Also, I'm going to see if they have a Cobalt SS. I saw someone on TikTok. I don't know what your name is, but shout out to you. I swear it again. Oh, there it is. Let's hope the. I don't think the exhaust will still be on.
Hey man, salut, ça va? Ouais, toi? Oui.
Gone. I don't know how that's gonna work.
In the space school, T-2 until lift off. Yeah, they might have hated on me that you can't rock. Shawty all over me, and my neck covered in lip gloss, yeah. I'm just tryna make a mess. We in the fence, bring the loyal friends, yeah. Options, I'm running out of options. Ain't no other way, I gotta get it from my bros. Yeah, stop it, bitch, I'm never stopping. I'm on the way to bring
We
it
just got
back
done at Kenny.
home. I just
We
wanna
didn't
see
find
the
what we wanted. We wanted to find an exhaust. Didn't find it. But that's A-okay. We're gonna go check out the Miata now. Probably be there in like, I don't know, 30 minutes. So we'll catch you guys there. Unbelievable. We left this thing in the winter for, in storage for I don't know how long, maybe five months, and it started perfectly fine. The battery like Bro, this thing's a little beast. Miata is always the answer. The little Yada, bro. But we take it for a drive, let the battery recharge, and
Do a little montage, show you guys what this Miata looks like.
Yeah, yeah, I just set a mile, hella bags in my hands. You know I get involved, pockets loaded full of bands. Mama told me to call as soon as my plane lands. And I need a bad bitch to tell me she my biggest fan. And my pockets getting heavy, BB holding up the pants. I need goodies for my songs, so do that little dance. Designer on my body and the names, cool friends. Really why spinning it, I'll put you on a trend. Tell me why you mad, is it cause you see me earning? They moving spooky, I can see the way they lurking. You and me are not the same, I put the work in. Triple digits on the dash, I'm swerving. Sorry, I got what you need. You should come kick it with me. What's it gonna be? Yeah, yeah. We can get the shoes with the C's or the belts with the G's. But you busy fucking with them lines. I'm not really up for playing games now. They see them up, they don't treat me the same. Hey, now everybody there. I set them out, hella bags in my hands. You know I get involved, pockets loaded full of bands. Mama told me to call as soon as my plane lands. Tell me she my biggest fan. And my pockets getting heavy, BB holding up the pants. I need goodies for my songs, so do that little dance. Designer on my body and the names, cool friends. Really why spinning it, I'll put you on a trend.
Nice, bro. I haven't seen this thing in forever. This thing's a little beast. I love it. See, when I bought this car, it was, I'm recording on my phone right now, and Nick has a GoPro. When I bought this car, I bought it in October. So right before I had to store it, I had two, 3 drives with it. But in those 2, 3 drives, even though, like, everything's stock and I didn't even rip it that hard, like, it was extremely fun. Go, and we're off. I love the shit down here is super nice. I love it. Here's my car, guys. It's really dirty right now. Everything's stock. It's no cracks everywhere. That's super nice to have.
And that's it, guys. We finally got the Miata out. Little drive, get everything lubricated. All the oils that were sitting on low, now they're all over the place. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna leave this Miata here for another 2-3 weeks, and then we're gonna bring it home, start throwing all the mods on it that we want to do. And yeah, Brian, you happy?
I forget how much I like this car.
Kind of small for me. I'm 6 foot tall, so it's a bit of a smaller car for me, but I still like it a lot.
I'll tell you guys right now, the paint right now is not an issue to me because I will be wrapping this car, and I don't think I'm ever gonna sell it. I think this is my gem car. It's like my first project car that I bought, so I don't think I ever really want to sell it, but you know, you never know if we need it. But I don't know. This and my future RX-7 that I guarantee you guys will see a series on, I don't think I'll ever sell those 2 cars. I don't think so. So the paint to me, it could be like this all at once. It doesn't have to be perfect for anyone else. It's gonna be covered anyway to me. So I'll see you guys back in the Subi, and I think I'm gonna make Nick drive because I don't feel like it. Overall, that was a really successful trip. I didn't think it would start.
Audio, but when we first cranked it, it was so weak, and then it started, but then it was like, it sounded like it was misfiring. It just needed a bit of gas. It
sounded like a weak rotary engine.
Then we just gave it a bit of gas and it started right up perfectly. Yeah. So like, I'm so surprised. I wish my Integra was like that. Oh my goodness. Oh, yo, you actually kind of got it spot on.
All gone. 4.3. Just feel like a little go-kart, okay? Well, it's fun. I love the car. I love the car to death. That's all I gotta say. The yada. The yada yada.
The yada.
The yada yada yada. Body yada yada yada. Oh my god. Alright guys, I've been editing for the past 4 hours, I would say. Once again, trying to edit and I forgot to do the outro. So if you guys enjoyed, please hit a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and even subscribe. If you guys want to see any content, if you guys have any mod suggestions that you'd like to see on the Miata, let me know. If you guys want to see any other content, let me know. Also, I'll link Nick's YouTube channel down in the description below. He posts tutorial and stuff. He's extremely helpful, and I also help on that channel. A shout out to SnoozzZy as well for letting me use his music, and QUAZ for producing some beats that I use. I'll link the Spotify and iTunes shit and Soundcloud down in the description below. Alright, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.